Yo, kill him. Yeah. Yo, kill the guy, bro. Y'all suck, man. Junior, jodi am gen mon Haiti ka vin la, mek so netwaye ka la, mek so netwaye chamou, tout kote net nan ka la, lave vaisselle, lave tout bagay, ok petit mwen? Merci en fait. Yeah, man, it was my dad, bruh. He was sucking a lot of stuff, clean the house, like people coming over from Haiti, like he always doing that, bruh. I ain't gonna clean no house, nothing, bruh. We just playing video game, dog. You feel me? I ain't listening to him, bruh. Bro, just kill the guy, man. Like, you can't play no video game, dog. Well, même ça. What about you, no? Oh, shoot. Yo, I'll call you back, bruh. No, it's my dad. He had to... Yo. Call you back, bruh. Yeah, I was gonna clean it, but I was playing when I was finished. Sir, what bono? Alando ou gen moun Haiti ka vin la pou netwaye chambre, pou netwaye tout bagay, fait tout bagay clean. Ou pa fait? Machin. Bro, ow! Damn, bro, you see it's all your fault.
Bliye,